A is for Albatross. Albatross is white and flies far. B is for Bluebird. Bluebird is blue and sings sweetly. C is for Cockatoo. Cockatoo is yellow and squawks loud. D is for Duck. Duck is yellow and goes quack quack. E is for Eagle. Eagle is brown and soars high. F is for Finch. Finch is red and loves to chirp. G is for Goose. Goose is white and waddles around. H is for Hummingbird. Hummingbird is green and super fast. I is for Ibis. Ibis is pink and walks in the water. J is for Jade. Jay is blue and full of joy. K is for Kingfisher. Kingfisher dives into the water. L is for Lark. Lark is brown and sings in the morning. M is for Macaw. Macaw is bright and talks a lot. N is for Nightingale. Nightingale sings at the night. O is for Owl. Owl is grey and hoots in the night. P is for Parrot. Parrot is green and chirpy. Q is for Quail. Quail is small and quick. R is for Robin. Robin is red and sings in the spring. S is for Swan. Swan is white and swims like a dream. T is for Toucan. Toucan has a big bright beak. U is for Umbrella Bird. Umbrella Bird has a funky feathers. V is for Vulture. Vulture flies and keeps things clean. W is for Woodpecker. Woodpecker peeks the tree. X is for Extra Bird. Extra Bird is extra fun and colorful. Y is for Yellow Warbler. Warbler sings a happy tune. Z is for Zebra Finch. Zebra Finch chirps so sweetly. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos.